What's happening? Poke Dog got you. Back with another video, you understand me? Yeah. This is part 2 of the Tampa car meet, man. I told y'all, boy, that was banger, man. Them boys, that hang out for real. Them boys hang out, dog. You know, going down, man. I'm gonna show y'all a little, the Hellcat. That's boss lady. You know, the boy came with the ZL1. Y'all gonna see that too.
Unruly Vlogs, man. Y'all boys like and subscribe to the channel.
It's
Unruly
going down
Vlogs all day, baby. Poke Dog out here. Hey, we about to make this shit fucking legit.
Hey, and we got a video coming, man, bro. We done linked up, you know what I'm saying? Get a car review on his.
You already know.
And he gonna get a car review on mine. It's going down. Yeah.
You already know.
I'm finna show y'all like his shit baby. Right now. Yeah. Y'all already know this car meet, it don't matter who come. It don't matter who show up to this car meet. We just going to hang out. It don't matter who show up. Yeah, this is my boy, Unruly. Yeah. I got a video coming for this. Yeah, we finna link up. Yeah. My boy clean with that ZL1. Ooh, y'all better stop playing, man. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Another banger meet, man. It's going down. I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get there. Yeah. Yeah, y'all know how we do it, man. Y'all know how we do it. Yeah. Yeah, they pulling in, boy. They pulling in, dog. Well, we pulled in at the right time, got us a nice spot.
Hey, there you go.
told y'all, boy, it's a lot going on out here. There's a lot going on out here, man. There's a lot going on out here.
That nigga for the swing, he just got that shit today too.
That bitch that clean, boy. Dang.
that door like P. Not that rock that P. Coming down my sock.
Like it's money on my head. And I keep them pussy niggas running from me like they scared. And they talk behind my back, but when they see it,
Yeah, y'all make sure y'all follow me. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, this is what we doing.
Tell you twice, I'm real stressed, like a thief in the night. Yeah, I get.
Yeah, police just pulled up, shut us down, so we gotta go. So this is gonna be the end of this video, man. I hope y'all enjoy it, y'all, man, cause Temple don't play, man. I ain't gonna even lie. Like, I'm trying to show up to all of these, man. To the next video, man. Y'all be safe. Poke Dog got you.